Hello, my dear friends. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Aurea, and this is DIY with Aurea. Beginning with our first DIY, I purchased this set of ornaments for $4 at Dollar General. I'm going to take this round ornament and I'm going to give it one coat with red acrylic paint. And with this acrylic gold paint from Dollar General, I'm going to give it one coat to this top portion of the ornament. It's going to come out beautiful. And this is the way it looks. I like these combinations. So I purchased this ribbon from Dollar General. And look at how gorgeous. I'm going to use this one, Santa Claus belt. And I'm going to go ahead and hot glue it right here on top of the ornament. This is so pretty, yet so simple. And look at how beautiful. So I got this shadow box that I am repurposing. I'm going to take this wood bead and with some hot glue, I'm going to glue it behind the ornament and then with some more hot glue to the shadow box. And I made a mistake. I should have painted the border in red before I put the ornament. So I wound up painting the border afterwards. Okay, so now let's go ahead and move on to the second shallow box. I got smarter, so I'm going to go ahead and paint the border ahead of time. And I'm going to go ahead and decorate the stocking. I'm going to give it one coat with this acrylic red paint. And later on, I'm going to go ahead and paint the upper portion with white acrylic paint. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my Sharpie and I'm going to start creating stitches around the stocking. I'm going to go ahead and do the same process that I did on the first one. I'm going to take this wooden bead, I'm going to put hot glue, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it right here. And now comes the Sharpie part. I'm going to go ahead and put stitches like I said before around the stocking. And it's time to add the berries and the greenery. This is my favorite part right here. I'm going to go ahead and hot glue some of it right on top of this. And I'm going to be doing the same process to both of them. Look at how gorgeous they came out. And we are all done. I am so hoping that you enjoy this DIY. And if you do, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. It helps my channel. And if this is your first time stopping by, I hope you consider subscribing and don't forget that notification button. I took this Christmas tree and I used this checkerboard vinyl paper from Dollar Tree and I covered it and I also put a star. And these beautiful ornaments, I'm gonna go ahead and paint one with white chalk paint. I also have this plaque from Dollar Tree, and this is where I'm going to be standing the tree along with these little pieces of wood. I'm going to glue them right to the back so like that I can have some support to glue it in. And this little Merry Christmas with some hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right in the front of this beautiful tree. And I have more embellishments. I have these 2 bells that I'm going to be gluing right up here by the star, along with a red bow. And this is the way it's looking so far. I also have some greenery, a pine cone, and some berries that I'm going to be gluing right here on this plaque from Dollar Tree. And with some white chalk paint, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it all over the plaque along with the pine cone. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for clicking into my channel. I hope you do consider subscribing, and don't forget to let me know which is your favorite so far. And this final DIY was from last year. I have it in one of my other videos, but I thought that I would just go ahead and include it in this video so you could take another look at it. The first thing that I did was go to my Cricut Joy, printed the word joy, and I'm gonna weed it out. Then later on, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it to the top of this beautiful picture frame. So off camera, I made a beautiful bow with this beautiful ribbon, and I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue it right above the joy sign. And I'm gonna go ahead and use 3 of these vase fillers, and I'm gonna put it right in the middle of this beautiful gold bowl. I also want to thank you for staying around until the end of the video, and once again, if you have not subscribed, please do so. Don't forget that notification button. Like that, I will be able to see you in my next video, and don't forget to give me that big thumbs up.